guys, welcome back. Dave Johnson. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel below here, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, whatever you do, leave us a comment below, let me know how you're liking the videos so far. Today I'd like to tell you about the software that I'm using to actually make these videos that I use to show you the information that I give to you. So it's called Screen-Cast-Omatic. Yes, there's a free version, and we all do free, don't we guys? Give us a thumbs up if you do free. Okay, so let's get over there. So just Google it, Screencast-O-Matic, or click the link below this video. I'll leave you a link here that'll take you straight to Screencast-O-Matic. So I'll take you probably to the most important thing, which is the pricing page. Although I've told you it is free, there are upgrades. This will be the pricing page. So as you can see, it's £1.65 a month. The Dulux model, billed yearly, and then there's a Premier model for £4 a month, billed yearly. Now then, here we get onto the free stuff. So for free, you can do all this, look guys. All these with the green ticks, that's what you get free. So you can basically do near enough everything I'm doing on here for the free version. Go to the page and have a look round. You know what you can afford. You can either do it the free way, the £1.65 a month. Obviously you get more options, more editing material to use, and the further you go up the better it gets. But you can do this for free, guys. Okay, so get on this. I will leave you the link below this video so that you can come and make videos like what I'm doing, even though I'm probably making a mess of it. But subscribe to my channel, give the bell a ring, give the thumbs up, whatever you do, or drop us a comment in the comments box. Subscribe to my channel, guys, for some more free info and software. Take care. Bye.